day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the GT20 Ultra smartwatch, also known as the Y13 smartwatch. This smartwatch features the Bluetooth phone call. Okay, as you can see here, we have a dialer as well as phone book, and it also supports push notifications, SMS, as well as Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp, and other popular applications. So we are going to test whether it works with the GT20 Ultra smartwatch. We have here the support app, the Fit Pro support app. Okay, it's already paired, and we'll see if this Bluetooth phone call as well as smart notification works. So if you have any questions regarding this video, especially the Bluetooth phone call and a push notifications, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start and check on the Bluetooth call functionality of the smartwatch. We have here the Fit Pro application. We are already paired. We already set the message notifications here. Okay, we already activated some. So let's just activate this one, SMS. Okay, the call reminder here works already. We have Facebook. Let's see, WhatsApp application. Let's try this also. Okay, then let's add a contact number on our frequent contacts here. So we have here our smartwatch. Our phone book here is empty, as you can see. So let's try to add. Okay, hopefully we'll not have any issues at all. Okay, add contact. These past few months, I think the Fit Pro application's getting slower. I don't know why. Okay, as you can see here. Let's see. Okay, this one. Okay, so set successfully. Let's see if if the phone book is, or the phone number is automatically added to our phone book. Not yet. Okay, let's go back. Let's see. Let's synchronize. Okay, stop. It's not yet. Okay, frequent contacts. Maybe there's just a delay. We'll see. Some, as you can see here, it's already here, but it did not appear in our smartwatch. Okay, let's go here on the settings. Bluetooth on. Okay, Y13. Let's add this one. Pairing. Let's see if we can successfully add this one. Okay, allow access to your contacts and call history. Pair. Okay, it's already active. Let's see if we have it here. Phone book, not yet. Again. If we cannot add the number, it's a huge possibility that we will have an issue later on. Again. Okay. Contact already exists. Let's add another one. Add number. Okay, so we have at least two here, but we don't have it here yet on our phone book. It should be automatically added to our smartwatch. Message push. Again, let's try. If you cannot add it, so there will be an issue when it comes to Bluetooth phone call, I think. As you can see here, it's already here. Okay, it is connected. Contact sharing is activated. Media audio, phone calls is also activated. Anyway, let's try. Okay, so we have here our WhatsApp application. Let's see if this thing works. Maybe just the phone book is just the issue. Hello, GT20 Ultra. Okay, let's send a message. Hopefully we can receive a notification. So we have received a notification here, and we have it here. That's good. So it works. How about the call? Okay, we have it here. Nice. And we have a missed call notification from WhatsApp. So far it works for the WhatsApp application. Again, hello, and we have the message here. It was sent in real time. Okay, directly or right away. Hi, let me show it to you. Okay, as you can see, just in milliseconds. Then next, so the WhatsApp application works. How about this one? Although it supports Facebook, I don't know if it will support the Messenger application. Hello, GT20 Ultra. Again, this is our first time to try it out. Okay, we don't like to rehearse our video here and show you the or sugarcoat, okay, or remove the error if there's an issue with the smartwatch. I want you to see it in real time, okay, just like you test it on your own. GT20 Ultra smartwatch. Let's see. We have here our smartphone, okay, and we receive a notification here. Hello, GT20 Ultra smartwatch, and we have the name and the logo. Again, let's see. Hello, message sent, and we have it here. That's fast. Okay, that's good. How about the call? It's now calling, and we have it here. Calling from Messenger. That's good. Very good. Okay, so again, the push notification works for smart applications. We have here the messages. How many messages can it store? Only, I think only one. As you can see here, you can only store one message, and that's sad. Okay, but anyway, it supports the push notifications. Next, let's see if this thing works. Although on the app it doesn't support the Telegram or Viber, but anyway, we will try to check it out. Okay, again, let's compose. Hello, message sent. Did we receive a message? Yes, we received a message on our Telegram here, as you can see, but we did not receive any notification. So it's, as you can see, it is not working with the Telegram application. How about Viber? Okay, I hope they add this, okay, as there are a lot of users with Viber and Telegram app. Okay, slow Viber application. Let's send a message. Later on, we are going to test on the SMS. It's not working. Our Viber here, we have some issues, I think. Okay, that's it. Hello, Okay, message sent. Did we receive a message on our Viber app? Not yet. Oh, that's it. We received one, but we did not receive here on our smartwatch. Okay, so there's no support for Viber. The next, let's try the SMS. Okay. Hello. Message sent. Let's see. Okay, we have it here. Okay, so it has support for the message notifications. Nice. Okay, so again, it works with the Facebook and WhatsApp application. Let's have another one, I think. Message sent, and we have it here. Okay, it works. Next, let's try the Bluetooth call support. Still, we don't have a phone book here. We don't have a number, but we are going to try and test the Bluetooth phone call. Okay,